Hello and everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have come with a new video that is really very interesting, because in this video I'm going to share my experience of the English language when I was started to speak English language. At the time, what the problems I have faced and what the things that I have made the corrections so that I'm able to speak English language now. So in this video I'm just going to share my experience only, and I just want to share you that when my journey of the English has been started, at that time I was hating this language. As I've already mentioned these things in when I have uploaded the videos of like what is the journey of my English language. So I can say that I had hated this language because I was not knowing anything about this language. I haven't completely idea about this language also, and I was thinking that what is the necessary to know this language, because if we are comfortable in our native language, then why there is needed to know other language. So that's why I was thinking like that. But my parents told me that if you will gonna to improve your communication skills, like if you will gonna to speak English language, then you will not get difficulties in your future life, because all the things that is impossible in nowadays, so that can be happen through English language only. So that's why I started to know the language of the English language. And when my journey of the English language has been started, that time my journey has become very beautiful, because for achieving the success, still I'm not able to speak a well English language, but I have been improved my communication skills. So today's I'm speaking a well English language, and a time was that I was not able to speak a well English language. So the journey between these two things is really very beautiful, and I can share you that I was hating this language, as I have already shared that I was not knowing to form the sentence. Also, I was not knowing anything about when I was studying the books in the schools. At the time also I was fearing a lot, because I was not able to understand all those things, that what is written here and what are the things necessary to know the English language. But I have just gonna to I have just moved forward about learning this language. And when I was started to do this all these things, that time I was having a lots of hesitations, fearness to do all those things, because this was the new things for me to do. And definitely I can say that in spite being knowing my native language, I had faced the challenge to know the other language. So it's definitely very difficult to know the other language, because it's not a cup of tea to learn very soon. So that's why I can say that I had faced a lots of issues. I was hating this language, but now I cannot say that it's really hard to know, because definitely if we want to achieve something, then there is needed lots of hard work, lots of sacrifices we have to do. But when we achieve those things, at the time we can say that we don't feel that much of hesitations or tiredness that we have been sacrificed, because we had lost a lots of things for achieving our success. So I can also say that for learning this language I had sacrifices a lot. Like I was crying at that time when I was not able to speak English language when I was the beginner one. So I had to follow some tips through which I'm able to speak well English language. And I was practicing with the co-learners. When the first time I have started to speak English language with a co-learner, at the time I had a fear in my mind, and my mind got blank that what the things I should speak in front of anybody, because I was only comfortable in my native language. So this was the problem that I was facing. So I can say that don't fear guys, don't hesitate, because this language is not that much hard. If you will practice regularly, if you will maintain the consistency, then definitely you could speak well English language. And earlier time I was hating this language, I was not knowing completely about this language, so that's why I have hated this language. But now I can say you that this language is completely not that much hard. If you will work on it, then definitely you could speak well English language. So I can say that it's really helpful. And definitely we are seeing nowadays that English has become a common language, and its importance has been increased drastically. So I can say that we have to know this language. Definitely we should not lose our hope for doing anything new. And I can say that learning English is a new things for everybody. For the beginners one is a new things, but we should not lose our hope for doing all those things, because if we want to do something in our life, then definitely we should have to sacrifice for that. So don't lose hope, guys, and just move forward towards your goal, and just practice a lot, be consistent, practice a lot, then definitely you could achieve a goodness in your speaking English language, because I have also tried this all those things, and now I am better in speaking English language than earlier. But I have to also improve now also, because I'm not able to speak a well English language. I have to also still have to improve my communication skills. So thank you guys. I will meet in the next video.